This is Henry Kirinyaga, your coffee value chain expert, and this is the HK Coffee Market Summary. This week, the first week of April, we are at sale number 23 that took place on the 3rd of April. This time on a Wednesday. You know, every other sales normally take place on a Tuesday, but this week Monday was Easter Monday, and therefore the market trading day was pushed one day 4th to 3rd of April. Now, how did we do it? I think the number significantly increased. From last week, we had 25,930. This week, the sale number 23, the number of bags traded was 33,480, all 2,834 kilos. That's the number of that's the volume of coffee that was traded. And the amount of money that was earned from that sale was $10.3 million. $10.3 million. That's roughly about 1.3 billion Kenya shillings. That's the money that coffee fetched for this country, for the coffee farmers for this country this week. Average price was $246 for a 50 kg bag of coffee. The highest price that was fetched by a bag of coffee was from Guama factory. There were 71 bags from Guama Coffee Factory, which is part of Baragwe Farmers Cooperative Society in Kirinyaga, that fetched about $500 per 50 kg bag. That's like $10 a kilo. That was pretty good. And in total, we had about we had other three factories. These are Kirimikui, and Ki, also from Kirinyaga, that were among the first the companies whose coffee fetched more than $400 per bag. So I think in that arrangement, it demonstrates that Kirinyaga continues to lead both in quality and the average price. And this has been an amazing thing for farmers from Kirinyaga County, and it's something other farmers from Kenya can learn. I think if I go a little bit of statistics, national average for Kenya is about 2 kilos per 1 bush of coffee, and in Kirinyaga alone is already at 7. So Kirinyaga on its own is up. So it's not surprising that many cooperatives from Kirinyaga are the ones that are leading both in price and also in volumes. This time, we had 9 brokers that participated. These are the normal guys. Alliance Berries were leading with 8,500 bags, followed very closely by Kirinyaga Slopes with 8,300 bags. Then the new KPCU, 6,600 bags. KCC Marketing Limited, about 3,810. And the last in that area was Mount Elgon Coffee Marketing Agency that delivered 824 bags to the market. So I think it tells you that the same people coming in, and Alliance Berry alone, was able, out of them, they was able to the 8,000 bags, they had an average price of $262 per bag, followed closely by New KPCU, whose average price per bag was $261. Then followed by Kirinyaga Slopes, with that average price was $244 per bag. Average price is interesting because it's very indicative of what you manage to get from the market, because this now encompasses all in terms of the different grades, the different prices fetched by different grades, and then puts all that together and averages that. So it's a very indicative price when you're trying to look at how the farmers are going to earn eventually. And then finally, the number of buyers. Again, we had 20 buyers, but the top 6 guys, again, procured over 84% of the coffee that was available. This is Seedomans Limited, Kenya Coffee, Ibero Limited, which is, I think, subsidiary company of Newman Cafe, then Louis Dreyfus and Sassini, and finally, Taylor Winch Coffee Limited, among the top buyers of the Kenyan coffee. So these are the players. We've started from the cooperatives, those led. We have the other players, the brokers, and then now the buyers that made Coffee Sale 2023 a success. So let's look forward to the sale 2024 next week and see, are we going to have a better deal or not? Thank you.